Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you very quick how you can record your presentation on Canva free account. So you can see right here, I have a presentation. I have everything ready for a recording. So I will go to the page number 1 over here and I will choose the option called present. Okay, you can see we have some option over here. We have the present full screen, we have present view, and we have the present and record. This is the option that you want to choose. I will choose this one, then next, and I will choose go to recording studio. Before you want to record, Canva will ask you to give access for cameras and microphones. So I will allow that. Okay, you can see we have the cameras and the microphone. You can choose any kind of microphone you want. I will choose the microphones using right now. You can see right here I don't have the camera because I'm using my cameras as a webcam. So I will turn off my webcam first. After I turn off my webcam, you can see I can choose my cameras over here. And right here, I'm using my camera with the microphone in front of me. So I will choose start recording. It will have a countdown 3, 2, 1. And you can see me in the left side of the screen. It will record my webcam and microphone. You can start presenting now. You can go to the next slide. You can start presenting. You can talk anything you want. You can add some note over here for easier for you to have a presentation. In the top side, you will see a timer over here that shows you the time of the recording. You can see we have the pause option over here. I can pause my recording. After I'm ready, I just resume and the videos will continue recording. After you finish your recording, you can choose end recording over here. It will uploading your recording and it asks you to keep this browser window open while uploading. Your recording is ready. You can choose save and exit or download directly to your device. I will download this video. You can see the download option here. I will choose download and you can see my videos have finished downloading. And we can preview. On the top side, you can see we have a timer that shows you the time of the recording. You can see the quality of the videos is very good. I have my presentation and a small webcam here. The quality is very great from Canva. Okay, that's all my videos. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.